everyone, and welcome to our hotel. This is the room 216 in Hotel Mandali. So we'll just have a quick look around. Ignore my Monster Munch crisps, they're the best flavour ever. We have our tea, coffee making facilities. We brought our own little tea bags. We just seem to like that, but they do provide you with a selection and a kettle. We also have the fridge underneath. Now on arrival we did receive a bottle of water, but the fridge was empty, so it's a decent size. You can get your big bottles in. So as I said, room 216. So we came in, we've got the wardrobes here. Let's see if I can show you. There we go. $2, enough space. We've got extra blanket, we get the extra pillows. We'll open that one as well. There we go, just so you can see. Plenty of space. And to the left we've got the bathroom. Now the bathroom's fine, decent size. It is clean, but there is a few scuff marks. There is a few things with a grout, but again, they come in every other day and they clean, and I think there's a few little black marks, but nothing really to worry about. A few little scuff marks, but if you don't mind that, that's perfectly fine. So, like I said, lovely shower, lovely tiles, and to be honest, it's enough for what we need. So, going into the room, we've got the aircon, which is needed, believe me. And a nice big room. We've got a little settee there, so it is spacious. Double bed, enough sockets for the chargers. Now, I suppose when you come outside into the balcony, absolutely gorgeous view of the sea. So we are lucky. We didn't ask for a sea view, but this is what we received. Now I would say if there's only one little gripe, as you can see, it's you are overlooked by all the other balconies. But we can't knock that. That is a beautiful view of the morning sea. Now it's only 8 o'clock in the morning here. It's so peaceful. It is. It's beautiful. So enough space for 2 seats, and you have a little place on the side where you can dry your clothes. And then back into the hotel room. Now I think there's one little thing that I would like, but it's a personal choice. Let me know what you think. Ideally I like 2 curtains, because as we said, if you like to come into your bedroom, you like to open the windows and you don't really want to be overlooked, if you pulled this second heavy curtain back, you would have a second light curtain, so you could sit there in your privacy. But we do feel at times it's a little bit dark, but that is our only little gripe. Like I said, room 216 in the Mandali Hotel. Very clean, staff are fantastic, and we'll just go off for breakfast now, so wait for the next recording. Lift or stairs?
Stairs. Stairs down for lift up.
If you prefer the stairs, that's fine, but the lifts are literally just there. View from the second floor, see Mackie's in the distance. Right, down the stairs we go. Tell which one's my heavy foot. From here you can see Joker Square and a few of the bars at the top. Not that far from the main strip in Protaras. It is a good location, isn't it, Tom?
Very good location, yeah. I do for the beach, I mean, side for the strip as well. So, yeah. But equally just in survive really.
And into reception. Thank you, darling. It is a very quiet hotel. Morning. Used to be the restaurant down there, but now it's for staff only, so we're not quite sure what they're going to do there. There is a bar and a piano, but to be honest, we've been here a couple of days. It's never used. It is very, very quiet hotel.
These doors here, yeah, to the spa, gaming.
Oh, is that the doors?
And the gym and fitness room.
We'll have a look down there later, shall we?
And toilets and showers.
A few little leaflets on what you can see. It is, it's lovely, it's clean, but very, very quiet. So anyway, from reception area for the restaurant and the buffet area, you need to go outside.
That's one of the strange things with this hotel. To actually get to the breakfast luncheon, don't you? You've got to get outside the hotel and walk down, which is quite a strange concept, really.
So you go that way up to the main strip. It is on the end where McDonald's and things are. Everything's on your doorstep, to be honest. But as we said, you come out of reception, turn left. Jerry's getting the scenic look. And the restaurant ahead and the beach is where you'll go for your breakfast. Now yesterday the pool was cordoned off and we weren't allowed to swim in there, but looks like the tape's been taken off. Good to use today. So yes, we'll put our towels down. As you can see, it's 8 o'clock in the morning. It's the end of May. There's no bed wars here, absolutely nothing at all. Like I said, it's a very quiet hotel. You can see the sea in the distance. I think these are the best rooms to have, aren't they, darling, overlooking the beach?
Without a doubt, yeah. And also the sunny balconies. I don't think we've got any sun on our balcony at all.
No, we haven't.
Although it's quite a nice view, you know, of the sea and that, it's not sunny at all.
So I'll show you where our room is in relation to everything. We've got the pool. We've got a child's pool there. Lovely little sweet thing. But if you go up, our room is there. You can see a lady on the balcony. We're not on that one. We're further along. So that's the view we've got right in the corner. As you can see, it is quite dark. It's probably the only little gripe that we do have. But we're only here for a week to do viewings. It's perfectly clean. The staff are fantastic. So it's a tiny little gripe for us. As we said, you're going to go and down. Sea's there. This is where you have your breakfast. I'll just zoom out. It is quite busy, so I am going to stop very, very quickly. And I'll take it round.